Hi everybody, welcome to my YouTube channel. Boo, 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 boo. Hey guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. It's just Millicent. How are you guys? So yeah, welcome to my YouTube channel. So like today I'm filming maybe a day in my life, but I don't know. So like I'll be filming a day in my life, but I'm not sure yet, you know the gist of it. Anyway, so like today's plans. So right now I just got ready. I'm gonna go with my mom wants to buy something at the mall ish. The way I wish I had money, because even if I ask my mom, she's gonna say she doesn't have money. She only has money to buy the things she wants to buy today. So like yeah, ish, these days I wish I had money, but I don't have it. So I have to go to the mall and just like look at my mom buy stuff. Anyways, I'm going to the mall with my mom. She has to buy things for church. I don't know what she was gonna buy, but like, unfortunately I'm not gonna be buying anything. But the chance, if I get a chance to go to a shop, I'm just gonna do some window shopping, just to make my heart feel okay, and also like to rope my mom in. I'm gonna be like, yo, do you see that? It's so nice. It look nice on me. What do you think about that? I'm just gonna be like that, and like maybe she will feel sorry for me and buy something for me. But like yeah, it's these days that I wish I had money, and I don't have money for shit. I don't have money for anything. I don't think you understand when I say I don't have money. I don't have nothing. Just here. But anyway, spend the day with me. Then after that, I'm just gonna come back and study. Today I don't have class. Like yo, thank God. And yesterday I didn't even go to class because so cold. I don't understand people who like this weather, and I prefer summer. I rather sweat. Because it's so flipping cold. Like Kita hona mo masaite. Hello, I come back. So I'm back from the shops and stuff, and like I'm actually really tired and cold because when we were coming back, it started raining and it was really chilly in the morning. But right now it's raining, and I think I'm just gonna change into my PJs and I'm just gonna chill. But yeah, we went to the shops and we went to those shops where they have everything like stationery, paint, books. Like we went to that store. We didn't have a chance to go to clothing shops, so like the shop for clothes. So like yeah, I didn't do a window shopping, but at least I got some stuff. So like I was able to buy this brush and also this book. Oh, look at this book! Isn't it so beautiful? Yeah, go on, Annie. This is just English is not my first language. Yeah, isn't it beautiful? Yeah, isn't it beautiful? Oh, I love it. Gonna. I'm so actually I'm excited to write in this book. Am I wait for that? But anyways, yeah. So like I came back and I started picking the things that we bought, and tomorrow I'm gonna be waking up really early because I need to make sandwich for my mother. She's going to a meeting and she's hosting. So like she wants to bring them breakfast stuff. So like I have to do that. And also I think I'm gonna bake some muffins today. But like right now I'm just gonna change into my PJs and just chill in the room, eat snacks. I was able to buy snacks also. Yeah, that really if yes, I don't even know what I was gonna say, but like yeah, yeah, that's how my day is and was like yeah. Hello guys. So yeah, how you doing? So like, yo, how are you? I'm fine, thanks and you. So I'm done making the platter for my mom. I just finished them right now, and she just left. Oh, I woke up so early. I was tired, and yesterday I slept late. Yesterday I was like, we went to the mall. We bought some stuff, and also I baked some muffins for my mom also to take with her. Yeah, I slept late yesterday. I don't want to lie. I slept today. I slept around 12, I think. But like, oh, and I woke up at 5. I had to wake up at 5 because I was also helping my mom load some stuff because she was taking a lot of stuff. She was taking some stuff to make tea. She was taking glasses, plates, because someone else was gonna be coming with the food. So my mom offered to come with the plates and the platter. So like I had to load some plates. We had to wash them first, then load them. So like I had to wake up at like 5 a.m. She she was supposed to leave at like 8, 9. So like yeah, it's 9, 8 right now. So like yeah, just got done and I'm really tired and I have to right now I'm doing the laundry. I'm gonna get ready like for the day. I'm gonna do the laundry, then I'm gonna spend the rest of the day by studying. So I think I'm gonna end the vlog right here because there's nothing else to film because I'm just gonna do the normal stuff like study, eat, chills. Like I don't wanna wait storage filming stuff like I'm trying. I don't have storage to film like me studying and stuff because yeah, I'm gonna like bath and then I'm gonna study. The laundry is in the machine, so after the machine is done, I'm gonna hang the laundry because like oh how this weather it's even I think it's gonna rain soon because I yeah I'm gonna do the I'm just I wish like I can finish with the laundry before it starts raining. So like yeah, praying please don't rain after the laundry is dry and stuff. But like if it starts raining, I think I'm gonna put the laundry in the carpet. So like yeah, it will be able to dry. But like I don't think it's gonna be fully dry. But like I what can we do? But anyways, just wanted to say thank you for watching my video. Thank you so much for watching my video. Please like, comment, and subscribe. Bye.